If you are running a dropshipping or e-commerce business, be honest with me. How many tabs do you have open right now trying to source a product? 10, 20, 50? I used to spend close to 4 hours just clicking through Alibaba.com, comparing suppliers, copy-pasting the same message over and over, and then waiting. 3 days for a quote, another 2 days chasing them for a certification they forgot to send. Last time I sourced a product, that whole process took me about 4 hours of clicking, and that was just day one. This time, I did the entire workflow with one prompt, and I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step. Let's dive in. So what I'm using is called the Accio Sourcing Toolkit. It's a plugin that lives inside Axio Work, a desktop app for Windows and Mac. And here's the thing I want you to understand right away. This is not a browser extension, and it's not just another AI chatbot that gives you advice. It's a workspace that actually does the work. It has an official Alibaba.com connector, it's trained on trade-specific skills, and it comes pre-programmed, so it acts like a procurement lead, not a search engine. I'll put the link in the description, just grab it and install it, or use the web version. Okay, this is the Axio Work desktop homepage. To access the Accio Sourcing Toolkit, head over to the Plugins section. You'll see a wide range of plugins available here. Simply find Accio Sourcing Toolkit and click Install. Once it's installed, click the chat icon. Next, choose an agent. I'm selecting the Axio Sourcing Expert agent. Finally, type your request or sourcing requirements into the prompt box. Okay, we are ready. Now, let's give it a real job. I want to source a custom insulated travel mug, 1,000 units, target price under $8 with my logo on it. Now watch what I type because I'm deliberately going to keep this vague, like most of us actually do. Find suppliers for a custom insulated travel mug. I need 1,000 units, target price under $8 per unit, with my logo printed on it. That's it. No prompt engineering. No magic words. Just how I'd explain it to a person. Okay. Once you are done, you can set the LLM model from here. You will find all the powerful models here. Just select which one you want to use and then hit the send button. Now here's the first problem with sourcing that nobody talks about. That message I just wrote, if I sent it to a supplier myself, I get a week of back and forth. What size? What material? What kind of lid? Every single answer takes 12 hours because of time zones. But watch what the Sourcing Toolkit does. It's reading my request and searching across Alibaba.com. It analyzes more than 200 million products and 200,000 suppliers to find the best matches for our needs. Once the research is complete, it presents the suppliers that are the best fit for our requirements. Okay, the research is done, and the sourcing toolkit comes with the products. And you can see the result. It comes with several suppliers for insulated travel mugs, MOQ 1,000 pieces, price under $8 per unit, and OEM. To see more suppliers, just click on View More Suppliers. Now, you will find all the suppliers that match your criteria. You will find all the crucial information about all the stores, such as the store rating, reorder rate, and delivery success rate, all the suppliers inside one tab. We don't need to open a separate tab for a single supplier to see the details. Now, we just have to find the best supplier. Once you find it, you can chat directly from here. Now let me talk about another big hassle. It's not good to talk to a single supplier. To get the best deal, we need to negotiate with multiple suppliers. Normally, this is where I'd copy-paste the same message into 20 different supplier chats, and then spend my week juggling 20 different conversations. Not anymore, because the Axio Sourcing Toolkit has the AI negotiation feature, and it can negotiate with up to 5 suppliers simultaneously. We just have to select the suppliers. For example, I am selecting some suppliers from here. Now, at the bottom, you will find the options of AI Negotiate and Compare. I am selecting the AI Negotiate option. Once you select the AI Negotiate option, it will analyze the query and the suppliers and then create the inquiry message and the rules. You will find all the details here. This is our requirement list, and under that, we have the AI Auto Chat rules. What will it say when the supplier replies? Now, you can customize them if needed. Once you are done, enter Confirm and send the inquiry now. Now the sourcing agent will start contacting the supplier and send our inquiry. And here it is, we are done. Our inquiry has been sent to all the 5 suppliers. We didn't type a thing or send any message. You can see the chat result from here. This is the chat result with supplier 1, and you can see the result. The auto chat feature is doing all the work for me behind the scenes. This feature can save hours a day, and it doesn't just wait around. It sends the any update nudges. It pushes suppliers for formal quotation sheets. And here's a detail I loved. In real testing, Users saw it proactively ask for category-specific requirements, like FDA certificates for food and beverage products, without being told to. It just knows. Now, the worst part of sourcing: time zones. Your factory is 12 hours ahead. Every question costs you a full day. Deals die in that waiting period. So here's what I did. Before I went to bed, I gave Axio my boundaries. So I wake up, grab my coffee, open Axio Work, and the negotiations have moved forward overnight. Follow-up sent, quotes collected, missing documents requested. The night shift did its job. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. There's no way I'm letting an AI send my money. And you're not. This is fully human in the loop. The AI works around the clock, but every payment, every major milestone in what they call agentic trade, that stops and waits for you. Nothing gets ordered, nothing gets paid, until you make the final call. So here I am comparing my top 3 quotes: price, lead time, sample cost, certifications, and I picked the winner. Accio Sourcing Toolkit did the 4 hours of grunt work. I make the 5-minute decision. And quick side note, the research side is just as fast. One user had it generate an opportunity rating table for 9 different products in seconds. They estimated that would have taken their team about 30 hours manually. And this is the part that blew my mind. One user reported their inquiry was so precise the supplier quoted immediately, compressing a normal 3-day back and forth into a single exchange. They closed 3 orders off just 2 samples, instead of burning $1,000 on samples that didn't fit. That's the entire sourcing process, from idea to factory-ready quote, with basically 0 manual overhead. If you source products, this is genuinely worth trying. Click on the link in the description, download Axio Work, and install the sourcing toolkit. It's pre-programmed and ready to go the moment you open it. If this saved you from opening 50 tabs today, hit subscribe. I've got more of these workflow breakdowns coming. See you in the next one.